At 16, I lost a big part of my hard-earned savings trying to trade. Big dreams, zero plan, a lot of painful lessons. Hey, I'm David, the founder of this channel. Last year, I made over $10,000 through trading and investing at the age of 17. And I'm here to share the strategies, lessons, and mistakes that got me there. Actually, I've been where you are. Excited, ambitious, and maybe a little naive. Let me take you back to the autumn of 2023, where my story starts. I just turned 16. Over time, I've managed to save about $3,000 from family gifts, little jobs, and even selling magazines. Like most teenagers, I dreamed big: money, cars, freedom. But I had no idea how to get there. Watching videos all days, but still had no plan. In school, we had this economic class. Our local bank ran a trading competitions using fake money, and the best performing team would win a prize. So this was in school. I joined, but I didn't take it seriously. My strategy: I would search up on the internet, click the first link I found, and follow whatever it said, and hope for the best. Spoiler alert, that didn't work. Fast forward a bit, I'm watching trading YouTubers, soaking up the basics, and around Christmas, I decide, okay, I'm ready. Spoiler alert, I wasn't ready. So from this 3,000, I took $500 and opened a Binance account on a broker. Of course, using my dad's profile because I wasn't 18 at this time. And I jumped straight into crypto. And you may be asking, why crypto? Well, I'd seen all these crazy gains people were making, and I thought, why not me? Well, let me tell you why it wasn't me and why it still isn't me. Well, I didn't use a stop loss, I didn't have a plan, I didn't understand the mass market. And the hard truth is, most people won't be able to do this kind of gains in the crypto market. So the result was loss after loss. Imagine me staring at price charts, holding on to hope that the next support level would save me. So imagine this is the price goes down. This is my actual support. It broke through. Then I imagined this would be my next support. And I've been waiting. And this goes back. So as you can see, my strategy wasn't reliable. I got liquidated multiple times. Looking back, I laugh now. Losing money forced me to wake up and learn. It taught me lessons I'd never forget. Lessons that you also need to hear before you make the same mistakes I did. Stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to share exactly what I learned that can bypass the pain, frustration, and financial losses I went through at the beginning. So let's get started. So, after some research, I finally figured out how to use my broker, Binance, and place trades with futures. I placed my first Bitcoin trade. But here's the kicker. My leverage was way too high. I got liquidated almost instantly. I lost $30 in seconds. Impressive, right? Well, not exactly. I did one fatal mistake. Never trade without a stop loss. Trust me, you lose money faster than you can imagine, and making it back will take countless trades. So I placed a trade on $100. Imagine you use a 10 times leverage. So you're actually trading with $1,000. Now, picture this out. This is what most people don't understand. because you're trading with $1,000, but you actually have $100 paid. This 10x is borrowed, so $900 are borrowed. So if the price goes down 10%, 10% out of this is $100. If it goes down 10%, you already lose $100. What does this mean? This money is gone. So your whole position gets liquidated because this whole money is gone. So the position gets closed because you have no money that is in the account right now, because the other $900 were borrowed. So it's not your money. That's what most people get wrong. And that's what most people will use a leverage way too high for the account size. The markets are unpredictable. Prices can drop suddenly and without a warning. Stop loss is your safety net. It only takes 5 seconds to set, but skipping it can cost you everything. So always set a stop loss. I myself just recently brought my account with $500 to over 1K. And trust me, it would have happened 10 times faster if I didn't make this mistake. So let's go over to rule 2. So remember my story: jumping in trades with no strategy, chasing random advice and hoping for the best. It didn't end well. Trading without a plan is like driving blindfolded. You headed for a crash. A solid plan includes knowing your entry point, then you must know your exit point, and last but not least, risk management. This basically means know where you will enter the market, then know where you will sell, and know how money you can lose if this trade goes the wrong way. As a third point, I will share with you today, and probably the most important. So when I started trading, I didn't understand the market at all. I was buying based on random links, using high leverage, and trading crypto in one of its worst performing months. So now let's look back to my story. It was Christmas when I started trading crypto on Binance. The thing was, of course, I didn't buy directly all crypto. I waited. I placed some trades. One did go south, one maybe went good. But then January, February came. If you look at the seasonality chart of crypto, you will see that these are the worst performing months. So the result, my losses piled up fast because I was trading against the actual trend that was down. So every market moves differently. Whether it's crypto, stocks, or forex, you need to know the trends, seasonality, and factors that drive the prices. So understanding the market isn't optional. It's like the base of the base. It's the foundation of every successful trade. Take the time to study it, or the market will teach you the hard way. So actually, trading had taught me some hard lessons, but following these 3 rules transformed how I approach the markets. If you're ready to level up even further, I've got something you don't want to miss. In my next video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to make smarter investments, like having a personal analyst at your fingertips, helping you research, plan, and execute trades with confidence. Click here to watch it now, and let's take your investing game to the next level. Thanks a lot for watching, and until the next time.